It's clean?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Hi.
You like the classroom?
Hi.
You can't hide in there.
Right.
You can't hide in there. You're not small enough. You're going to hide there?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and try. I see you, you know.
Ow. Me out.
You're out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Die.
You like that chair?
Yeah. Behind that here.
Okay, go ahead, try. Yeah, I told you. It's dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well.
We hide it.
Where are you going to hide now? Okay, go ahead, try. No hide? You're going to sit?
Yeah.
You want to be a student?
Yeah.
Okay, sit in the chair.
No hide.
Okay, sit.
No hide.
Okay. I'll give you some work to do. No?
Yeah.
Okay.